That is right! That is right, people! Let's hear it for Duval! Please deposit all your cans in proper trash receptacles. And everybody have a good